Hello YouTube! Hello guys! And welcome back again dito sa aking channel. And for today's video, as you can see is, well, gagawa na naman ako today ng aking makeup tutorial using my Focallure makeup collection. So, kung anong meron lang ako dito sa aking makeup na Focallure, yun lang yung gagamitin ko. As you can see, ayan, tapos na siya. So, makikita nyo sa next slide video of my Focallure makeup collection. So, ito yung mga ginamit kong mga product na nilagay ko sa aking face. Ayan. And yes, so without any further ado, let's start the video. And kung hindi ka pa subscribe dito sa channel ko, please subscribe the button and click that notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos na i-upload ko every week. So let's start from the makeup tutorial. So, sa first product na ginamit ko is itong primer. And sabi dito, blurring the appearance of pores and fine lines instantly. Ayan. So, makikita nyo, watery lang siya. And it's very dewy pag nilagay mo siya sa face. Ayan. And helps makeup look better and last longer. For my eyebrows, so gagamitin ko lang is itong aking Into It for the eyebrows. Yan. Into It na triangular eyebrow. Eyebrows is done, and sa face naman tayo, since wala akong na-purchase na any foundation from Focallure, gagamitin ko lang itong aking Maybelline All-in-One Baby Stick. So, ayan. Lagay lang tayo sa may ibaba ng ating eye bags and spread. So, sa mga nagtataka, hindi ako magamit ng sponge. So, not really a fan of a sponge. So, ayan. Next naman is the Focallure Blush and Highlighter Palette. It has 3 shades. Ayan. So, gagamitin ko itong color nude. And actually, pwede mo din siyang gamitin for your blush on. So, later makikita nyo siyang ginamit ko siya for my blush on. Ayan. And apply. And tinali ko na yung hair ko kasi nakakain ko na siya talaga. Dito naman tayo sa eyes. Here is my Stay Max Focallure 2-in-1 waterproof mascara. And on the other side is the eyeliner. Ayan. So, nabili ko lang siya for only 119 peso. And it's very lightweight to wear. And yung tip niya is sobrang soft gamitin sa eyes. Using the curler to lash my lashes. And I'm ready to put on the mascara. And here we are, yung ginamit kong pang eyeshadow kanina. Ito, gagamitin ko din siyang pang blush on sa aking cheeks. And last but not the least is the new favorite Velvet Mist Matte Lip Clay for only 90 pesos. Ayan. So, meron ka ng lip clay na super mura and super lightweight to apply, and sobrang ganda niya. So, I choose the hottest color nila, yung 201 na color. Ayan siya. And done! And thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Till next video, bye.